Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the process and the products I use to wash and clean and take care of my 1965 Jeep CJ5 Tuxedo Park. So come along with me, I'll do my best to demonstrate what I do, show you the products I use, and give you a brief overview of what the Jeep looks like, the history of the Jeep up to this point. Alright, hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned. Good luck with these products. Start with the Wash and Wax by Armor All. I know there's 1,000 different products that you can use, but I've had excellent luck with this stuff. The cool thing about it is it has this, what they call pearlescent polymer protection, probably fancy terminology, but basically it really allows you to wash your vehicle in direct sunlight within reason, and you don't get the water spots that you would with other products. Now, we are on well water here, so it's hard to not get water spots at all, but this stuff is fantastic. I just use a regular wash mitt, grit guard, a lot of quality microfiber towels, just a little bucket. Armor All Extreme Shine is excellent stuff. Really like it. It lasts for a long time. You'll see it later in this video. I do spray it on and use a sponge to wipe the excess off, because if you don't, it does splatter everywhere and it makes a mess all over the paint all over your vehicle. And then we go to Invisible Glass. Just really good luck with it to get all the water spots and all the streaks and everything off of your glass when you're done washing. I also do have a secret weapon, and that is this guy right here, my little steel leaf blower. What I'll do is actually use this guy to blow off all my water when I'm done washing the vehicle and get the worst of it off, and then I will go back through with microfibers. So let's get to it. Good quality, clean microfibers. Extreme Tire Shine. Take a cheap sponge. Okay, so you just saw the video of washing this thing, products I use and the process I use. It really does a great job. I'm really impressed with the wax and the wash. I've tried many products over the years, and this is what I have found to work the best. All that aside, do a quick walk around of the Jeep. The overview, brief overview, it's a 1965 Jeep CJ5 Tuxedo Park Special Edition, basically a chrome package from Kaiser Jeep back when Kaiser bought Willys. In the early 60s. This motor is the original F-head F134 cubic inch 4-cylinder Hurricane engine. Had 70 to 75 horsepower brand new, which was not a lot. but definitely a step up from the L-head 4-cylinder that was in the World War II Jeeps. That had about 60 horsepower from the factory. This has the original drivetrain, T90 transmission, Dana 18 transfer case, single stick, closed knuckle Dana 27 front end, 427 gears, and the offset 2-piece axle shaft Dana 44 rear. Again with 427 gears. The T90 3-speed transmission, great little transmission. However, you do 40-45 miles an hour and you're wishing for another gear. It really winds out at 40 to 45. It doesn't like going much faster than that. And besides, it's an old Jeep. I don't think I'd really want to go much faster than that. This Jeep did come from a gentleman. I bought it 2 years ago up northeast Pennsylvania, Scranton Wilkes-Barre area, Lake Wallenpaupack. We loaded up the trailer. Basically, this Jeep was used by an older gentleman up along the lake to plow his driveway in the wintertime. He passed away, I'd say 20 some years ago, and I believe the Jeep just sat. Until the previous owner that I bought it from, he bought it from the estate of this gentleman who passed away, got it running, got it driving, and just used it as more or less a four-wheeler to run around the mountain roads around the lake up where he lives. He lived right off the lake. It's a beautiful area, very nice little resort town. But from him, it looked nothing like this. In a future video, I do want to show you what it looked like when I bought it and all that I've done to it so far. I do have a lot of content coming to this channel. My content won't be all Jeep, but it'll be a lot of Jeep here in the near future, with a lot of other different things mixed in with the farm here and all the different things we get into on a daily basis. Very busy all the time. Painted it myself, and in a future video I do want to show you the process of what I did to paint this. This is actually all spray paint, believe it or not. It is spray paint, clear coated and waxed, buffed. I did wet sand and waxed and buffed. It turned out incredible. Most people don't believe that it's spray paint, especially when I tell people, yeah, I spray painted the Jeep. They kind of roll their eyes until they see it, and they don't believe me. The Jeep does have a 2.5-inch suspension lift, as you saw in a previous video, and it sits on 30 by 950-15 BF Goodrich KM3s. This is actually one of the original tires that came on the Jeep. I'm not sure if it's the original tire or not, but it's cool as a spare. It's all dry rotted and cracked, and the other ones were really junk. They had the white walls, really pretty cool. I did have to replace the windshield frame. That was rusted out. Oh my goodness, that was in bad shape. Put a little radio in it. I'll do a little review of that in another video. And a little CB, a little pressure gauge. The gauges all work. The fuel gauge, the temperature sensor, put a new one of those in. That works. So I know when I'm running hot and when I'm not. It actually runs surprisingly well and surprisingly cool. Even when I was at the Jeep show here, as you can see, got my little dash plaque. It was over 100 degrees, probably 110 degrees that weekend. For here, that's not normal. And the Jeep ran perfect. Did not have any issues with overheating at all. Just a fun little Jeep to bomb around in. It's very unique. It get a lot of attention just because you don't see a lot of them around. Fun Jeep, good driving Jeep, very happy with it. Again, it's an old Jeep. It has its own quirks. It's not perfect, not gonna be. I don't want it to be. But it's a lot of fun, and I have a lot of things I'd like to do with it in the future. Again, hope you liked this video and enjoyed the process of washing it, and then just a quick brief overview. If you have not yet, please like this video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you and have a great day. Thanks for watching.